her baby.
To see if I can complete the aquatic pack and Blooket, so let's get into the video. So I'm here on my alt called Frog Luck is Real because my main is kind of broke right now. So let's get into opening the. I decided to come to Blooket. I'm kind of broke on my alt right now, and my main, I haven't been able to spin and get my daily 500 tokens on my main, so that's why I've been using my alt. So let's try calculate. Okay, there's a 21% chance. Okay, let's round out to 22, and a 10% chance that we get the Megalodon. But what am I having? Megalodon. So, let's try simulate. Yeah, this is probably average. So let's go back to. So I have another alt. Yeah. So 820 tokens. This is gonna be the last final pack opening in the video. Hopefully we can get that baby shark and Megalodon. So let's just start opening pack. Okay, this is gonna be the final pack of the video. Hopefully we get something good. Open it, and we get a narwhal. We didn't get our legendaries. Oh my god. Hopefully we do in the next. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.